As you can see, the E93 series has been repaired. All the body work has been done. The front bumper has been repaired and repainted. Everything we have to put a fog light right there on the right side. You got to get a fog light. Everything else is done. The rims haven't been refinished. I just cleaned them. I still got to get this glue off. I didn't spray the spray on. This wipes right off. It's a spray. I spray on it to remove the glue and wipe it off. I just took it to a car wash just to clean it up a little because it was just looking dirty. You can still see the numbers from the auction on it. But the car is pretty much done. Okay, time to take this thing out for a drive. I'm going to show y'all how this thing drives, how it sounds. Yeah, this thing drives beautifully. Listen to it. Yeah, you hear that? That exhaust sounds beautiful. Okay, so Ozzy Bentley decided he don't want to keep the BMW, so we found a new owner for the car. We found a new home for it. This is the new owner.
I love the car because that's something I was looking for anyway, and I'm in a rush right now, so I can't wait to drive it. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate it. I appreciate. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Really appreciate it.
Ozzy Bentley in Brooklyn.
Definitely.
Canarsie, Brooklyn.
Pa, pa.
No business like the car business.